right, 2 minutes till open. 2 minutes till open. He pushed up hard from this. Now these broke, so I'm going to get rid of these. We only have that one little Lone Ranger right down there, that little guy. Right, now we definitely have opening. We definitely have a lot of openings now. We're going to build another blue here if this candle closes up here. All right, this guy right down here on the 2. This is gone. Let me move this up here, then change it to purple. All right, we got this guy here on the 5 as well. So this area, major area of potential strength. This is broken. Still want to see if it stays below 72. Obviously at the open it could do whatever the hell it wants. So let's see. Market opening in 1 minute. 1 minute. I got trailed out on the majority there. Quick $300. Rejected that 72 area. Hard rejection at the 72. So 72, that whole 72.81 area. Again, market open, it could do whatever the hell it wants. Whatever the hell it wants. So here we're right in the middle of everything. I don't have anything clear other than the 71 rejection. Right, so I'm going to sit on my hands a little bit. Right, 5 minutes going to close kind of in the middle. It's still in the uptrend. 9 seconds. I'm getting out of that thing green. Let's see what it wants to do. Ooh, all right, there's that pull up. Ooh, there it goes. Oh, what a push up. Okay, now I want to see if this closes above. If it does, I may enter. If it does not, I still like the shorting up below 81. Well, let's see what it wants to do here. That 1 minute candle right here. It's telling me it wants to push up, but I need to see it close. Ooh, this is getting tempting. All right, candle closure has to occur. I do not want to get in early because if it rejects all of this, we're coming down hard. The 81 needs to give way on the 5 minute. Okay, there's the candle closure. This could retest all the way down to 66. So I did enter light. Literally two micros. I'm up 20 points already. I got out one. And my other one's back at break even. Just for a quick tester here, because this could pull back to retest a little bit. I want to see this 5 minute candle closure below. Quick scalp 20. Right, that candle closure at an 89. Pushed up, actually it was 15 points, my bad. Not 20. All right, let's see. Kind of want to test it again, but it could retest further back. That's the problem with this. There we go. Okay, scalp that again. There we go, baby. There you go. There you go. Whoo, yeah, $500 right now. At $500, up 20 points right now. Got one runner. I'm gonna trail it already. I'm gonna let it take me out. I'm gonna trail a little closer. Oh, just take it out right there if it wants to. Boom, even 500 on the dot. There you go. All right, let's go back to the chart. I want to see that 5 minute candle closure above. This 5 minute candle looks beautiful, actually. 5 minute candle looks really nice. It's already way up there, right? Next is that 72. That's the data. That's that data candle. Right, so this is a major area. The 750 is a major area. I'm going to go to a different account now. Oh yeah, look at that push. Push, push, push. Look at this, right? This is textbook break, retest. Look at this. Break, retest, push. Textbook. Quantum setup right there. And sauce box. Combination of confluences, right? Only risky part about this was that 5 minute. That 5 minute not fully closing yet, right? That was the only risky part about that. But that was beautiful. Textbook right there. Break, retest, push. Break, retest, push. So let's see if we can get that additional push over that 72, that data high. And then maybe we'll see the tap inside the 50s. That 5 minute candle. This is a trifecta here, guys. This is a trifecta. Those of you that know, right? We could see the continuation on the 5. This could pull back to retest some. But this is a continuation setup potential on the 5 minute here. As this candle closes, right? This could still push back to retest, but there we go. Look at that. What a beauty. Right into that purple candle. Right into it. Right? Clean rejection so far. Five-minute candle is going to close in about a minute. Let's see this thing rip up and push through that data candle. If it does, right, the data candle was here. There was a previous purple candle here before. So this gives this area a little bit of strength. But if it rips, boom, boom, boom. That's what I kind of want to see if it does do that. If it cannot rip through this and I start seeing the candles closing below, we might see pull down. There it goes. Okay, good. Good. Let's see. The 5 minute looking extra bullish here. Holy crap. Look at that 5 minute go. Trifecta in play here. Beautiful trifecta setup. From 89, 50 points so far. 40 points. All right. Candle did not close above. So still, oh, wow. What a push. What a push. Very nice. Candle did not close above, but 5 minute closed above all of that. Hella bullish push right there. Got my 2 runners running on a separate account. Right, separate account. Already did my damage on the other ones. Look at that, right to it. Look at that, right to it. Right to it. Right to it. This is where I'm going to get out. Right to it. Clean moves. Now this 5 minute candle closes below 722. This might be the rejection point. If this saucebox rejection is up here. Clean move. Very clean. You guys can see how I use the confluences together here. No market open. Saucebox 786. Area of interest. Area of target. Whatever you want to call it. Right? Now we want to see if this pulls back and retests this 23 area or not. From here to 23. If it does break 23, then we continue our way back down, right? That 5 minute closing below 22 could be the rejection point. Clean. All right, 5 minute is still holding well above that 722. Closed inside of saucebox. I want to see these lines start to kind of curl down, and I want to see the closure outside of saucebox. And then that 722 will need to give way next. Yeah, it's pushing, looking very bullish. 5 minutes still holding up very strong. Didn't really give a whole pullback to 722. see, 5 minutes, still has about 2 minutes left. So still a lot of time for it to do its thing. Close inside sauce box twice. Still kind of rejecting that area. Dom's kind of going nuts up here, not full blown. Still looks like it wants to push a little bit. The pullbacks don't look super strong, but it's kind of stuck. It's a lot of hesitation here. That was a hard rejection right there, but the bounce back up off the 739, 738 area, that's what I need to see start. There it goes. Okay, now we need to see it start really going down to test that 722. There we go. There we go. Right to it. Right to it, baby. There it goes. All right, now we're going to get the break. Oh, man, I caught that. There's no better confluence than Saucebox and 236. No better confluence, y'all. Look at this. 3 micros. No better confluence than this. I'm going to let these ride now. No better confluence than this, baby. Oh, my gosh. $200 on 3 micros. Let's fucking go. This is what the morning trade looks like with the Maestro right here, right? Just me doing my thing. Clean rejection. I know llama's in this. I know they're eating right now. Love it. Freaking love it. There's Big Purple. There's the confirmation candle, right? This could retest up to 29, but that's the confirmation candle right there. Like, you can't get better than that, y'all. Look at this. Look at this signal here. Boom. Right to it. Look at this push back down, right? This is the confirmation candle, right? It could retest up, right? There it goes right now, right? It's contesting the candle. So now we can move all of these lines up right here. I can move this up here, get rid of all of these. Actually, I can move this down here and change it. All right. Put this up here. All right. This is how I kind of do my charting. Boom. There we go. Now we're between sauce boxes. All right. There's that contention, that retest of that 29.50. Right, didn't fully go up there. Hit 20. Very nice rejection. Got my last runner on that one account is up $70. I'm just going to take me out. If it breaks above 30, it'll take me out. Above 33, I think it's where it's trailing right now. Love it. Love it. Love this. All right, there's that 29 contention. It's looking like it wants to push hard through it. Yep, there it goes. And my runner got taken out. Perfectly fine with that. Now we're going to see a failed bearish move here. Oh, this is looking like a hell of a failed bearish move here. Can it reject again, though? Let's see. That needs to close above, right? It needs to close above. It rejected again. No way. All right. Well, I'm not trusting that to pull back too much at this point because that 722 held. So this is our 1 minute range right now. Or not 722, I'm sorry, 706 is where we kind of bounced off. 722 did break here. The 5 minute. Is still pushing up. 747. 747 on the 2 minute needs to break. Right? The 722, oh yeah, the 722 did hold on the 5 minute when it closed below it. So now we're going to see if the 722 will break here on the 5 minute on this go around, right? But we need all this up here to break too. The 744 area on the 1, the 746.50 area on the 2 minute. And then we might see a push. Man, it would be crazy if we get a continuation. I got another box up here, 840. But this is where we're ranging right now. So this level, I want to go over this part as well, guys. This level right here, this 730, right? This is now support. You don't want to see it rip through that 30. We've already retested it a couple times. Right, this has to close above that 46.50 here. If this is going to rip up and make a new high. There it goes. It's just clockwork right now, but this has to, this 2 minute closed above it. It's really pulling back now. 740 on the 1. We got a level F 740 on the 1. Right, so this 40 and 30 area now need to be held. There's a little bit of a bounce, not that strong. Boom. Easy. This is too freaking easy, guys. All right, I'm already trailing again. This is too easy. This is fun. Right to the top of sauce box, 755. All right, 2 minute, 5 minutes about to close. Yep, closed up. Now the 5 minutes dangerous here. Got trailed out on a couple right there. Last runner will get trailed out under 40. It's dangerous because this could retest all the way to 722 now. Okay, because that 5 minute broke that 22 level. So that 22 is now open for potential test. Ideally, you want to see it hold above that 1 minute, right? Just like it did right there. Held above the 1 minute. All right, that 40, right? If it breaks that 40, 30, then 22. Below that, 06. Oh my gosh, this is just awesome. You could scalp that 740 bounce a couple times for just 15 points at a time. Not financial advice, but I may or may not be doing that. And there we go. Look at this, right? Picture perfect, boom, out, 365. Picture perfect place setting up right here. Break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Break, retest, break, retest. This is what opening New York looks like, okay? Very easy peasy. Very fun. I freaking love it.